What is up guys, Mr. Who's the Boss here, and in this video we're taking a look at the Smartphone Projector 2.0. So in theory, this is a seriously cool piece of kit. What it actually claims to be able to do is to actually project your smartphone screen onto any surface. So clearly there are going to be limitations to this, but the premise is just absolutely insane. I really applaud whoever came up with this thing. So the way it works is it actually uses a mirrored lens on the front of the projector, as you can see, and this just basically magnifies the phone's display. Clearly the brighter the display you have, the better this is going to work, but nonetheless I'm just blown away by the idea. I think it's really awesome. So the thing can hold a phone up to 6.5 inches in display, and so that's basically anything that's not a tablet. I don't think there's any phones out there with a display larger than that, so I don't think we have to worry about that this year. So anyway, the actual build is very interesting. The whole thing is made out of a really nice looking cardboard. It's kind of like those professionally done Google Cardboard DIY glasses, that kind of thing. But it's actually made so it looks like it has a leather finish, and to be honest I'm quite impressed with the package. So the price of this is about £20 in the UK or $25 in the US. That's pretty cheap, and to be honest it's kind of priced as if it was some sort of novelty item, which doesn't exactly inspire confidence. So all of these sort of inputs and tabs you see, they're really all just for show. I mean, the thing works as simple as you turn your phone on, you put it inside this little box and you watch it work. So there are no gimmicks, but at the same time there are no real other features. So it comes in with a something that looks quite a lot like empty loo roll. I'm guessing that'll actually be used for the lens. And then this is the actual mirror itself. So this will magnify the phone's display, and you literally just stick it inside the loo roll. And these will hold the loo roll in place. Lovely. So it takes about 2 minutes just to put everything together. Very straightforward, and I have to say I'm really impressed with the way it looks. So if we just take a quick look around, you can actually see firstly the lens on the end. That's actually protruding quite nicely. And basically you have this pull-out tab. Now this will change the magnification of the phone's display. It can go anything from 2 times to 16 times. It's a pretty big range there. So inside here we have a sticky tab, which I've just placed in there. That does come included, and that'll just hold the phone in place, make sure it doesn't wobble. And yeah, it's as simple as that. So here we have a phone's display in basically pitch dark. So I've loaded up a nice looking video on YouTube, and I'm just going to put it on the sticky tab, close it up, and watch it work. So the first thing you might be able to tell is that the screen is actually projected upside down. I could not find a way to fix this. I'm not sure why it's occurring, but this is obviously how the projector's working, and it's not doing a particularly great job of it. On top of that, you can see it's really dim. I mean, this does actually improve a little bit if you move the thing closer, but then you're obviously getting a smaller display. But even when this is right next to the wall you're projecting on, it doesn't really work that well. So I have to say, although the idea here is excellent, the execution is just poor.